Hi guys, I did a thing the other day. I did a very new brave thing. Do you want to know what it is? I ordered a new size of pants. Ordered a larger size of pants. If you can even believe it, I ordered a larger size. And I know some of you are thinking, why are you sharing this? This is not good news, ASHLYN. But I'm here to share this with you today to be like, this is a big deal for me. I have spent almost my entire life shoving myself literally into the same size jeans every single day because that number defined who I was supposed to be. That number of pants, jeans, shorts, whatever it may be, was who I was on the inside. And I did not allow myself to change that. Now, of course, like I had my pregnancy and post-baby and stuff, but once I was back to normal, I did not allow myself to not fit into those pants. And sometimes those pants would slip on and I would feel really good about myself, right? Because they felt a little bit loose. They weren't super snug. And then there were days, because I fluctuate a lot, probably like a good 5 to 7 pounds. Like that's just my normal fluctuation rate. And the days that those pants were tight, it would cut into my belly. And you know what that would say to me is like shame. It would say, you're not doing good enough. It would say, you don't deserve to eat a lot today, or just stick with salads, or you should be thinner. And you know what? I finally decided the other day that, you know what? Enough is enough. Why am I letting my pants in my closet control my day? I've decided to get away with the scale. I've decided to intuitively start eating. But why is that certain number just continually just speaking just bad lies? Why am I allowing this certain number of pants to just define who I am? And so I did a thing. I bought a new pair of pants, and you know what? They came in the mail last week. And I reluctantly just opened the package. I knew they were coming, and I put them on, and I pulled them up, and I buttoned them on, and you know what? I felt at home. I felt happy. I felt like I could breathe. I felt just totally satisfied. And you know what? Nobody knows that I went up a size of jeans. And newsflash, nobody really cares. But you know what the hugest victory was for me was that I was able to pick a new pair of pants and up a size and pull them on, and just all the thoughts and the feelings of worthlessness and of you're not doing good enough in life slowly just started to dissipate, and I felt just like this sense of just freedom for the first time in a long time. So I share all this with you today to encourage you to really take inventory of what's in your closet. What is serving you? What is doing your heart and your soul good? And what are things in your closet that you need to let go of that are harming you, that are speaking lies and feelings of shame over you because you're not quite fitting into them anymore? And maybe it's time, maybe, just maybe, it's time for you to let those things go and to order a new size. This might sound familiar because I did post about it on Instagram last week, because I just feel the need to share and speak truth and freedom over what so many of us are going through, but how the world just continually likes to label us and tell us that we should be a certain size, we should be a certain weight, we should be a certain number of jeans. Just constantly defining like our society, like we should live in this type of house, we should have these type of children, we should be these type of parents. And I'm here to say no, like enough is enough. The only thing that I should be getting my worth from is from our Creator. It's from God, who designed me, who built me, who has called me to something so much greater than being so strung up on a weight, a number, a size. And that is my encouragement to you. What do you need to let go of so that you can live and run your life freely, proudly, boldly into your true calling and be so less consumed with self? So that is my challenge for you today. What do you need to rid of that causes you to be less consumed with self and more consumed with the world and with God and with what He wants to do and use and how He wants to use your life? What is it that you need to let go of so that you can just run freely? And for me, it was the size of jeans that I was shoving and making myself conform and fit into. Until one day I said, it's enough. Like, I'm enough. I'm better than that size. I'm more than that size number. Thank you guys for listening. And if you're distracted by the balloons behind me here, that's left over from Florence's 4th birthday party. It was actually a really epic like balloon arch thing that came on Amazon, and it was affordable, and it all came in this package, and we did it. I'll link to it below if you're interested. All right. Go, you guys, today. Go be free. Be so much more than what the world wants to tell you you are. I'm here to tell you what God says, and He says you are enough. You are created beautifully, wholly, perfectly in my image. And so go live your life today out of those words of truth and not of the world. All right, bye.